Hi, so in this video we will learn that how we will create the explosion of venom and the butterfly. Whenever the venom hits the butterfly, then an explosion should occur. We will learn that how to create that explosion, because right now when I am clicking on the green flag and clicking on spacebar, the venom hits the butterfly, but the butterfly doesn't die or it doesn't explode. So nothing happens to the butterfly. But I want that an explosion should occur whenever I hit venom on the butterfly. So for that, we'll again have to give some codes or instructions to the venom sprite so that an explosion should occur. So let us begin with it. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll click on sprite 1 and I'll go on costumes. Then I'll duplicate this sprite, and over here I'll delete the sprite. Now I want an explosion, so I'll create something of a sort of explosion. Like, how does an explosion look like? Something of this sort. So I'll create something of sort of an explosion. And I'll fill it in. So here I've created the explosion thing. You can create anything, but I think this is what an explosion looks like. It can be made more clearer and beautiful. So yeah, this is how this explosion looks like, and I'll name it as Venom Explosion. So I have named it as Venom Explosion and I've created this. So now what I'll do is I'll again go on code. I'll go on the code section, and I want that when this venom hits on the butterfly, then that explosion should come. The explosion which I just created, it should appear when this venom hits the butterfly. So we'll do some coding again to get the result what is needed. So I want that when I start as clone, then I'll choose a forever loop because I want it to repeat forever. And now I want that if the venom touches the butterfly, then the costume of the sprite should change to the one which I created. So for that I'll choose if statement or if loop, if then loop, and I'll write if touching butterfly. I'll choose sensing, touching, and I'll choose butterfly. Then if the venom touches the butterfly which is coming, then what I want that the costume of the venom should convert to the explosion costume which I just created. So I'll go on switch costume to Venom Explosion. It is already chosen as Venom Explosion. So now our goal will be achieved. That is, when I'll click on the button, on the spacebar button, and if the venom hits on the butterfly, then explosion will occur, and we will see that. So let us run the program now and see our result. So here I just clicked on the butterfly and you can see the explosion. You can see the explosion occurring here. I can see the explosion over here. See, and when there is no butterfly, no explosion occurs. See, so here right now there is no butterfly. When I click on space bar, then I'll see that no explosion will occur. See, no explosion is occurring because there is no butterfly, but here it is occurring because there is a butterfly. Hence, our goal is achieved. So what we created in this video is that when the venom collides with the butterfly, then venom converts to an explosion. And in the next video, what we will learn is that when the explosion occurs, then the butterfly should disappear or the butterfly should get deleted. Why? Because due to venom, the butterfly has died. The frog has killed the butterfly through its venom. So in next video we will learn that. Till then, thank you and practice this.